Hi, it's Chris here from SONAX Detailing Academy UK, and this video I'm going to show you how to remove light swirls and scratches from your paintwork. And I'm going to be doing that using our brand new SONAX Ceramic Polish all-in-one. Now this contains some cut, so it will remove light marks. It also contains some fillers, so it's going to hide deeper marks, and it also contains ceramic protection which lasts up to 3 months. Now I'm going to show you a couple of ways to apply this product. First of all, I'm going to show you by hand, and then I'm going to show you by machine. So you can apply this with our ceramic square applicator, you can use our soft round applicators, or you can use my favorite and the one I'm going to be using, which is our SONAX P-Ball. And then I'm going to show you how to use this for the more experienced users or someone who's just getting into polishing with a dual action. And with that, I'm going to use our yellow DA sponge. It's a medium sponge, so it has a good trade-off between cutting and finishing. We have our bonnet. Most of this bonnet, which is our training bonnet, is really bad. We use this on our training courses for practicing polishing for guys or doing demonstrations at shows. But the center bit here was corrected at a show maybe a few months ago, and since then it's been in transit, it's been wiped down and stuff like that, so it's picked up what I would call your average marks on a vehicle. So there's some light marks, there's some deeper scratches as well, but most of your vehicles hopefully will probably look like this and a lot less like this. It's so simple to use. First of all, you give it a good shake up to make sure the abrasives and everything are evenly mixed through the liquid. After that, you apply a few spots onto the P-Ball, and then we can just go in and you can work in small circles, applying medium pressure. That really pushes the abrasives in and starts leveling off the edges on the scratches. Okay, and you want to work this for a couple of minutes. You can leave that for a minute or two to cure off. Not too long. What you want to work is in, say, the bonnet at a time, or half the roof or whatever, working sections. Don't just do the whole car and leave it on. It has really easy wipe off, but it's just not worth the risk. Just do one section at a time, and then just makes the job easier. After a small curing time, we can then just wipe away the excess. Go very gentle with the cloth. You don't want to introduce any more scratches into the paintwork. So being gentle with the microfiber is massively important. And then once you removed it away, you will have a very nice wax-like slick feeling. And you also have some great beading, which I'll show you now. Lovely tall beads. And as I said, that will last up to 3 months, and that's based on washing once a week. You can also top this product up with our ultra slick detailer or our ceramic spray coating, or even using the active ceramic shampoo, and that will just keep the product going longer and longer. So now I'm going to show you how to use it by dual action polisher, and I have a Flex cordless XFE dual action, and I got the cordless one because I couldn't be bothered to set up all the cables and stuff. So as I said, I'm using it with our yellow medium DA sponge, and you just want to apply lots of little small dots around, just to make sure that we don't have any dry spots on the pad, and also we get a good even coverage of abrasives. Okay, so now I'm going to spread it around the area I'm going to be using it on. That is just to stop, when I turn the machine on, I don't flick it everywhere, and it also means that I spread the abrasives evenly around the panel, so that when I start here, they're super, not aggressive, but they're medium to fine abrasives in this, but by the time I get here they could be weakened because I've worked that amount of area. So spread it around the area you're working, and then you can just go in. On most dual action machines, I would start with a medium speed between 3 and 4. Okay, and you want to apply a small bit of pressure, not too much that the pad's stalling out, but enough just to push those abrasives in. Okay. As I said, I'm going to apply some medium pressure, and I'm going to move the machine very, very slowly. There's no need to go fast with a dual action. Make sure that you go side to side so you get even coverage over the area and you don't miss any bits, because that's really annoying when that happens. And then after 20 or 30 seconds, you then increase the speed, and you can release the weight off of the machine and just let the machine glide over. And this is just gently pushing the abrasives into the surface so that it gives you that really high gloss finish. And there we go. So again, after a brief period of drying, not too long, we can just remove that. Again, same as before, it's massively important you don't apply any pressure with the microfiber. It's not worth damaging your finish just because you're pushing too hard with a cloth. But that has brought out a lovely gloss on this colour. It's really made the metallic pop. And again, we'll do a beading check. Oh, it's lovely. Run out of water in a minute. There we have it. It's amazing beading from just a very, very simple one step. You have good cut, you have fillers to hide marks, and then you have amazing protection, as you can see. The differences between the two, obviously by machine, the machine action is always going to improve the cutting performance because it's just more powerful than you can be with your hand, and it's obviously quicker. But you can still get amazing results by hand, as you can clearly see. Just the machine's a bit more quicker. So maybe you can move into that as you get a bit more confident, and we have some great videos to show you how to use the dual action to hopefully give you some confidence. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment, because this is the SONAX Detailing Academy. We have every single SONAX product you could ever need. So if there's anything that you want us to show you how to use, or a question or a problem that you have on your car, just hit us up in the comments and we will try our best to make a video as soon as possible to answer your questions.